I always want to encourage people to get into this industry because this isn't just a job and it's not a career, it is a lifestyle. It is something that you can grow with, and whether you've been here for 3 weeks or 30 years, there's always something new to learn. You're never going to be stagnant. You're always going to be an essential part of any place that you work at because water is essential to life. It is something that will never be, although there will be technical advancements, it will never replace an actual operator. And so there will always be a demand in this industry. It's also an industry that is going through a lot of changes because the majority of the operators are now starting to retire. So there's a real need for future water operators within the industry. And it is a place where you can find specialties within it as well. And one of the things that I like about it is I have operators that have been here for a couple of years and they're like, well, I don't know. It's like, well, what if this happened? You don't know how much you actually know till you talk to somebody that doesn't know anything. And so it's one of those, it's sneaky. Like, you just kind of get into a routine and it just becomes second nature. And it just grows the longer you're here. So it's definitely a fun industry to be in. I couldn't imagine being anywhere else. And it is a professional industry. Like, it's not hopefully through bringing new people in, it will become a more respected role and a more visible role. Because we are kind of the silent heroes that are we just want to do our job and we don't really want to be recognized. We don't want to be the center of attention. We just want to do our work and know that we've done a good job and just go home at the end of the day satisfied. But it also doesn't help our industry because we are kind of those silent heroes that don't want people to look at us. We just want everybody to see what it is that we've done, but not necessarily that it's us that have done it.